How to build a landing page for affiliate marketing. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can create a landing page for affiliate marketing. So let's get into it. So the website that I'm on is called system.io, and over here we are going to be using this website to create our landing page. But before we do that, we do need our affiliate program. So for that, we come over here onto Digistore 24. You can come over here. There's also this website called ClickBank. You can come over here and click on affiliates and get your affiliate product as well. You could sign up as a seller. You can find amazing products on ClickBank as well as on Digistore. If ClickBank isn't available in your area, then you can go with Digistore. But of course, you can go ahead and use both of them. And once you have your product and your affiliate link, we are ready to go. Now, all we need to do is come over here onto system.io and start building our website. Now, there is a free account, but it's not actually free. There is a pricing plan or a pricing structure that you can see right here. So the monthly structure is something like this. There's the free plan, startup plan, webinar, and ultimate. And you can see the prices listed as you can see right here. And you get a bunch of different features as you can see right here. In the free plan, you get unlimited emails sent, you get 3 sales funnels, 15 sales funnel steps, 1 blog, you have unlimited posts, you have 1 courses, unlimited number of students, communities, members. You get a bunch of different options, right? And for payment methods, you can see you have Stripe integration, PayPal, Razorpay, and Flutterwave integrations as well. You get a bunch of different options. The only thing that you don't get is, I would say, evergreen webinars, free migrations, and one-on-one Kickstart coaching. But other than that, I think you're good to go. You don't need a bunch of, a lot of these features, but if you do require it, you could go ahead and purchase one of these programs. So for now, we are going to start for free. We are going to click over here. Now, if you're wondering why I'm choosing this website, well, it's pretty simple. Over here, you can see all of the features of this website. So you get a bunch of these stuff, as you can see right here: sales funnels, marketing, webinar, website builder as well, affiliate program management as well. So this is perfect for affiliate programming or an affiliate marketing as well. You can even find products on this website as well. You don't have to worry about it. You can sell courses, create a blog, and stuff like that. It's pretty amazing. That's why we're going to be using this website. So now let's go ahead and get started with it. We just enter in our email address over here and click on get started for free. All right. Again, simply click over here and you can get started for free, or you can get your free account over here. Click on anywhere you want and enter in your email address. And after that, just simply confirm the email address that they sent into your email address, right? Verification email, and you are good to go. Set up a password, and this is how your dashboard is going to look like. So as you can see, it's very simple. You're going to get all of your information over here. Now, let's move on and create our website. So we simply click on the funnels right here, and over here, as you can see, it's empty. We then click on create. We click on create, and over here, they're going to ask us what we want, all right? So to create a funnel, we now build an audience, custom, run an evergreen webinar, or sell a product or services. We choose the currency as well. So we're going to go ahead and select the US dollar, and we're going to click on sell a product. And over here, you just enter in your name and funnel domain as well. And then just simply click on save, and your funnel will be created. And as you can see, there is no landing page over here. It's empty. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and create a new one. So we're going to click on create to create a funnel. And as you can see, once you clicked on it, this pop-up or this page will pop up. And then over here, you just enter in the product name, your funnel domain, and then you just simply select what you want. So our goal is going to be to build an audience. And over here, we just enter in the name of the product. So I'm going to put product name right here, just in case. And then you just simply select your domain as well. And we are going to choose our currency. And once you've clicked on save button, as you can see, funnel will be created and it will be shown right here. So now you just simply click on it and now you are good to go. And over here, this is how it's going to look like, right? So over here on the left hand side, you're going to see these 2 pages. The first one is the squeeze page, which is going to be the first page. All right. We don't want people to actually go ahead and buy the product first. We want to go ahead and collect all their information, like their email, and then we're going to go ahead and move them to the product where they can buy it. So that's what the squeeze page is for. And then you have the thank you page for, of course, thank you. So you just simply choose which one of these pages you want and you are good to go. You can also create one on your own, but I recommend going with a theme, a template, so that it's much more easier. Like this one. This is a very generic looking template. So we're going to click on preview it. And over here, as you can see, build your business with our product. Over here, you can add a big heading with the product name, then an image with the product, and down below we have some testimonials and stuff like that. But we don't need all of that. We just need to give them a small place where they just enter in their name and their email address and just simply click on get started. Like, very simple. So I don't think that would work, but it is a good page to start with. So like this one actually looks pretty decent. This one looks like what we know. So we have the product image, the product name, and then we have the email and send me the ebook and then what you'll learn and stuff like that. So as you can see, this one is actually very good and works really, really well. So I recommend going with this one as well. So let's go ahead and click on select to go with this one. And then we have our page ready. And then we have a thank you page as well. Now you just simply select the thank you page. So since our page looked like this beforehand, so that's what we're going to go ahead and select this one, which is very similar. And now we are good to go. And now we can just simply click on view funnel to actually go ahead and view the funnel over here. As you can see, this is how it looks like. We're just entering the email address. We just enter in the email address and click on send me the ebook. And over here, these are, of course, the configurations. You can go ahead and click on save button. You can view your funnel, you can edit the page, and you can change the page template as well. So let's go ahead and edit the page. We're going to click on this button to edit it. So this is the editor right here. So what you'll need to do is just simply select the element you want to edit and it will be highlighted and then you can go ahead and edit it out. So what do we need? So we actually just need this one, this section. Maybe we'll add this section just to make it a little bit different. We don't need this section, of course. So we'll go ahead and delete it by selecting this section and clicking on the delete button like so. Clicking on OK. And then we have the footer, which is okay. We could go with this one if you want, but it depends on you. You just link the video as well. So let's go ahead and change up the background right here. And you can do that by just simply clicking on the section and just choosing a background. So right now the background is already set and I think it looks much better with the book. So we're not going to do that. We're going to leave it as it is. And then we're going to go ahead and change up the product image itself. So as you can see, we're going to change up this image. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and change it up. And over here, you're going to add your product. And if you don't know how to do that, as I said before, you get your product from the Digistore. So you just simply go ahead and select it. So if we come over here into the marketplace, you can see we have a bunch of different, products. We click on promote now, and we will have our product right here. And this is the website itself. This is the book, as you can see, Tube Mastery Modernization. They've got a video over here. They've got a click to sign up, got a direction, and they strongly recommend you promote this link. So this is their promotional link. All right. So you promote this link and 50% of the sales are made through their free webinar. All right. You'll get 50% of every sale that they make. It's very good. And that is how you promote free YouTube traffic over here, as you can see. So find the product and you are good to go. All right. So let's say this is the link. All right. This is the promotional link that we have. All right. So we need to promote that. So what we need to do is we need to just simply go ahead and put our logo right over here. And we put the title over here as well. So let's go ahead and do that. We're going to put this text right here. All right. And we are going to remove this text. All right. Just hover over it, click on delete. There we go. Now we have that text. Over here, we add in some subtext and send me the ebook. Instead of send me the ebook, it's supposed to say, we're going to click on the settings button, scroll down. There should be, okay, let's go ahead and actually delete this button because we do not need this. So we're going to delete another button. We're going to create one for ourselves. So to create a button over here, this is the button option. You just input it and just simply click over here. So this is the button right here. We just simply move it right over here. All right. We just simply move it up there and we place it right here, right below this email option. Here we go. Now we click here to add the subtext. Over here is the button text. And now we just simply click over here to change the button text. So this is what I wrote. Email me to get more info. All right. and they just simply enter in their email address over here and they're good to go. So you just simply edit out this product. All right, edit out the site, remove the things that you don't want, add the things that you want, and you should be good to go. It's a very simple drag and drop, page. So now we have now created a landing page, supposedly. All right. Now we just simply save the changes and exit it. Now we need to go into the thank you page, and this is actually very important. Now we just simply go into the editor, and over here, instead of the download button, of course, you have to change this as well. You change the product image, you change the background image, and instead of this button, all right, instead of saying download now, you just add, of course, click me to view what you've got, or click me to view your earnings, or click me or to view something. All right. And then what you want to do is this. So you remember you copied that product link, right? Well, that is what you're going to paste right here in this box. So you just simply click on the button, right? And the action when button is clicked, instead of download file, you go click over here, next step URL or open URL. We click on open URL and we type in the URL right here, which is, let's say, this high converting product, and you paste the link right here. And then you just simply click on save changes and you click on exit. Now, if we go over here onto our squeeze page, let's go ahead and view our squeeze page. We enter in our email address here, and we just simply click over here, email me to get more info. All right, thank you, friend. And then if we click over here, click me, we click on this button, it'll take us to the high converting product page. Now, there is a way for you to go ahead and automate this system, which is if you click on leads, you can see it right here, and you can just simply go ahead and add a next step over here to go ahead and follow up with your email address. Right, you've got your automation rules over here. You can add rules over here to go ahead and do it. So you just simply choose that rule and you get good to go. So pretty simple. This is how you do it. This is how you create a funnel page for your. So that's it. This is how you do it. This is how you create a landing page for affiliate marketing. So that is it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. And I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.